Hey guys, Retro Badger here. Hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to take a look at a brand new ship developed by Greystar. This is a dark timeline Romulan bird of prey from the original series era. So in the dark timeline universe, the Romulans have also lost their homeworld, albeit at a much earlier date. The entire Romulan civilization is in hiding under permanent cloak. This ship comes with substantially more powerful weapons compared to the prime timeline Romulan cricket, and even has energy dissipating armor. We also have animated bussard collectors. To get a sense of its power, we're going to face every Enterprise in order until it can be stopped. Now, I feel so bad about how many NX classes we saw destroyed yesterday, so we're going to be facing the Dark Timeline version of the NX class. That should give them a fighting chance, hopefully. Here we go. Now, being a Greystar production, as you would expect, we have all new weaponry and new sound effects. Let's fire. Oh, look at that. So that's their version of the devastating plasma torpedo. Oh. Wow, they actually took it! Amazing! I'm so glad I went with against the Dark Timeline NX class. I don't feel as guilty now. I'm gonna cloak. Ooh, no! Let's go for that reactor core. Oh boy, overkill. Ooh! But they damaged our shields. I'd like it if the NX-01 refit was victorious. We have new warp sounds as well, as you can hear. Let's fire. Oh, look at that. Oh boy! Wow, okay. So that proves that the Dark Timeline NX class was more powerful than the Prime Timeline NX refit. Let's fire. So we're now going against the Constitution class. Oh, what's those plasmas gonna do? Let's see. Oh, their shields absorbed it. Impressive. So as you can see, the ship is nothing like the Prime Universe version. Oh, we just avoided their fire. That's ace. But our shields are not invincible. Oh, hit the warp core. Oh dear. The warp core's been hit and the shield generator's down. They're still fighting though. Oh, source of separation. Next, we're going to face the Enterprise A. Let's see. We can hit the dish. Oh, their shields are holding. Yeah, those phasers are certainly more powerful. So Greystar has actually developed a number of ships for the Dark Timeline. We have quite a few Federation ones. When I say Federation, I mean the Dark Timeline's Federation equivalent. And I would love to see them appear in Star Trek Online. They are certainly worthy of that. Ooh, they're holding up here, aren't they? Oh! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Wow. Next, it's the Enterprise B. Oh, I hope this is the enhanced Enterprise B. I actually toughened it up a little bit after our last few videos. Oh yeah, look at that. It just absorbed those, no problem. Oh, hang on. Yeah, look at that! Wow. So yeah, that's how the Enterprise B should be. Certainly more powerful than the Enterprise A, and its shields are, though its torpedoes have hilariously missed us. Well, we're through those shields, sadly. Whoa! Oh, the warp core thing. Yeah, I think the Dark Timeline would be a powerful ally to have, right? This might split them apart. Oh boy! It did. Wow. Now it's Captain Garrett, the Enterprise C. It seems to be more effective at closer range, which ties in with the original series. Oh, we've collapsed their top shield. Yes, I can confirm. Just like in the original series.
Limited range.
The closer you are, the more powerful it is.
Limited range.
Though I can't really sum it up as good as Kirk did.
Limited range.
Oh, we've collapsed their shields. Incoming torpedoes. Oh, we've dodged them. Fire. Oh! Oh my gosh! Well, even the game didn't like that result, as it decided to crash. Next, we're facing a Galaxy-class Starship. Now, this will be a different ball game completely. Oh! Let's get as close as possible. And fire. Oh! Ho, ho, ho! Wow! Next, the Sovereign class. I think the Galaxy class went down faster than any of the other ships. But now I know about the range, so if we fire close up, it's more powerful. I don't really want to use the cloaking device, as you can probably imagine why. Oh no! Sovereign class has armor, of course. Oh, what? Oh. Whew. Ah, sorry, Greystar. It's happened again. Every time I take one of Greystar's new ships out for a ride, I always end up breaking it. Ooh. Ah! Again. What? Please? Yes. I'm just waiting. Yes, there we go. We got the torpedoes back. Right, we need to get up close and personal. Whoa! Oh! We hit them, but they're still going. Ah. Oh. Yeah. Well, the Enterprise E wins that for me. Right from the beginning, we were on the back foot there. I had to keep using in-system warp just to survive. But considering this is an original series era ship, that is mighty impressive. It completely obliterated the Galaxy class. If there's any news on a release date, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.